Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, continue our lesson for today, mathematics for year 2. Okay, our main topic is topic number 2, addition, subtraction, multiplication and also division. Okay, last time we have already learned about multiplication. Today we continue our lesson on division. So, what is our objective for today's lessons? Okay, today we are going to achieve pupils will be able to understand the division concepts. Okay, the division concepts. Okay, first you have to recognize what is division symbol. Okay, this is division. This is equal to symbols. Okay, look at this picture. Division. Activity 1. Activity 1. Number 1, group the objects. Okay, write the number of each group. Okay, group the objects. Okay, then write the number of groups. Number 1A. You have to group the objects in twos. Okay. Twos means setiap kumpulan ada 2. Okay. The first one have been done for you. Okay. I will write it. This one group of twos. Okay. Another one group of twos. Another one group of twos, another one groups of two. So, how many groups are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are 4 groups of twos. Okay, go to the next example. B. In trees. Okay, in trees means each group have 3 objects in it. So we have to divide this in trees. Okay, how to divide it? We have to put number 1, 2, 3. Here is number 1. Again, you have to repeat because it is only 3. Here 1, 2, 3, and then you group it. This is first group, second group, third group. So how many groups are all together? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 3. Okay. Go to the next examples. Okay. Group the objects in 6. In 6 means each object each group has 6 objects in it. Okay, 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is group number 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is group number 2. So how many groups? There are 1, 2 groups of 6. Okay. Next one is in 8. Group the objects in 8. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Group it. Okay. Another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. group it as one group. Okay, next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, group it is another group. So how many groups of 8? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups of 8. Next question. Write the number in each group. Write the number in each group. Okay. Each group means setiap kumpulan ada berapa bilangannya. So 2A, 3 equals group. 3 equals group. You have to divide all the ice creams into 3 equals group. Okay, how you make it? It is like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 equals group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is first one, first group. Okay, this is the second group. This is the third group. Okay, each group has, okay, now what you have to do is count in each group. How many ice cream in each group? Okay, each group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each group has 7 ice cream cones. Has 7 ice cream cones. Right here 7. Okay. Now look at question 2B. 2B is 2 equals group. 2 equals group. So you have to divide all the biscuits into 2 equals group. 2 kumpulan yang sama banyak. Equals means sama. Sama banyak. Tidak lebih, tidak kurang. Okay, let's us divide. Let's count with me. 1. Okay, this is group number 1. Here is group number 2. This is group number 1 again. This is group number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So is it equals already? So we group it. Okay, this is one group. This is one group. Okay, this is another group. So we have 2 equals group. Now the question is each group. Each group has how many biscuits? Okay, now let's count in this group. How many biscuits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each group has 6 biscuits. Okay, activity 2. Complete the number, sentence, and stories. Okay, look at this picture. There are picture of buttons and coats. Okay, picture of buttons and coats. Let's us read together. There are 16. Okay, there are 16 buttons. Okay. Where is the 16 button? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, there are 16 buttons. each coat. Okay, each coat has how many buttons? Okay, look at here. Each coat has equals buttons. So here there are 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here also have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons. So there are 16 buttons. Each coat has how many buttons? 4 buttons. There are how many coats? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 coats. Alright? Okay, next what you have to do is write it in the number sentence. Number sentence is over here. So, how to write it in number sentence? 16. Okay, 16 divide by 4 is equal to 4. Okay, 16 buttons altogether. 16 buttons divide by 4 means divide by 4 groups of 4. Okay, equals to 4. Okay, look at another example. Okay, another story. Okay, look at this picture. There are picture of guavas and picture of 3 children. Okay, there are 3 children. Okay, there are 3 children. Sorry. Okay, there are 3 children. Okay, how many guavas? Okay, the guava, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 guavas. 9 guavas shared among, okay, how many children? Okay, there are 3 children. So, write here down 3. There are 9 guavas shared among 3 children. So, each child gets how many? What you have to do is you have to divide the guavas equally to each children. Okay, equally to each children. Okay, the first guava goes here. The second guava, give it to the next children. Okay, the third guava, and give it to the children. Okay. Sekarang masih ada, tinggal jadi bahagikan lagi. The fourth one goes here. The fifth one goes here. The sixth goes here. Okay. The seventh one goes here. Okay, look at the arrow. The arrow, the 8 guavas goes here. Okay, left one. Left one. Okay, it's over here. So there are 9 guavas shared among 3 children. So each child gets how many? Let's count this arrow. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count the purple one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the green arrows, 1, 2, 3. They are equal, right? So each child gets 3 guavas. So how to write it in the number sentence over here? Okay, number sentence. 9 Divide by 3 equals to 3. Okay, next example. Okay. This is a number line. Okay. The first box here. Okay, this one is the first box is the total number. Total number. Okay, look at this question. The total number is here. This one. So write down here 30. Okay. Divide by 5. Divide by 5 means 30 to 25 is 5. Right? So how many divide by 5? This is number of objects. Number of objects in each group. Okay, number of objects in each group for this question is 5. So how many groups? Here is number of groups. Okay, number of groups. So how many number of groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Okay, go to the next example. The first here, what is it? What have to do is the total number. The total number here is, look at this number line, is 56. So 56 divided by, can you guess? What is the number of objects in each group? Okay, look at here. 0 to 8. So it must be equal. So 56 divided by 8. Okay. Okay, so 56 divided by 8. This is number of group. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to make your further reading on your textbook, page 95 and also 96. And don't forget to do your exercise on activity book on page 71 and also 72. Okay? That's all for today's lesson. Happy learning, everyone. Hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye. Assalamualaikum. See ya.